free. Big booty, big old tree. I'ma make them wait for the pussy. Shit is in these big old skis. Hey, feet on the bed. I fuck him up in the head. Suck it, then look in his eyes. And the next day I might leave him on red.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created these fringed bangs for you. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then stay tuned.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
Turn up on them, bruh.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I already have my little intro, so as you can tell by the title, I do want to put fringe bangs into this wig. If you haven't already checked out my review and my tutorial on how I achieved this color and how I feel about the wig overall, check that out up on the comment section or in the description down below. So right now I just parted my hair to the middle. As you can see, I already showed you in my other video, but this hair is too small. The hairline literally starts all the way back here, and I have a problem with my hair sliding back. Basically, start styling. I put all my hair to the front, and then I'm just gonna comb everything out. And then I already got my hot comb and my flat iron ready to go. So as you can see, I have a little lump. So I'm going to straighten this because I need this as straight and as clean as possible when I cut this hair. As you can see, I barely combed this hair and it's already shedding. So I'm just gonna straighten any bumps that I have in the hair at the moment, so I can get a clean cut. I have a couple bumps in this hair. Bumps? What is those bumps? Is that eczema?
Look at these bumps. You got eczema?
I got what?
Got eczema?
This hair is very, very long.
A few moments later.
So now that I feel like it's straight enough, I'm going to dive right in to doing the little fringe bangs look. I love fringe bangs. I don't like the harsh bangs, like Black China's bangs. So what we're going to do,
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
so I'm gonna make a triangle. So I'm just trying to flatten out everything. Fringe bangs is very thin, like layered bangs. So I don't want to put too much out, or I don't want to part too much hair. So now what I'm going to do is twist this hair. Some scissors. These are some old scissors. You should use some really sharp scissors, but I don't have that, so we're just gonna use what we're working with. Some generic hairspray. So I'm going to just turn it, twist it, make a little triangle as sharp as you want. I like how it looks right now. So, and then I like to cut where past my eyes, because if I cut up here, it's gonna look crazy. If I cut right here, it's gonna look a little crazy. And then I'd rather be safe than sorry and cut past my eyes and see how I like it right there. So I have this hair. We got something popping. So let me, before I cut it again, I'm just gonna get my flat iron and bump the ends
Look at these bumps.
and see how it looks, because I do like long bangs. So I don't really like it. So we're just gonna repeat this process. I'm gonna repeat this process and cut a little bit now and see how I'm gonna like it. And then I like to make sure everything is a-okay. I'm just straightening out the bangs again. So I do like the Fringe bangs look. So what I'm gonna do, how I usually fix it, is I feel like I put too much hair. So what I like to do is just part the hair out. And just comb it on the sides. So I like it like this. So what I'm gonna do is straighten out the sides that has more hair. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. And kind of look a little greasy, so I like to use a brush to just eliminate the grease. All right, so you guys, that's basically it. That's how you make some fringed bangs. I've been doing this since high school, especially when I had like old weaves and stuff. I would just create these fringed bangs and it'll just make the wig last a lot longer, and then you don't have to worry about blending your frontal at all because the hair is covering it. So yeah, that's basically it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.